فبيلا يا ربكم معكم زمان. Students, today we are looking at the continuation of the maths paper 1 of June 2020. So we have solved till question number 13, and today we are going to solve question number 14 and 15 in this video. Okay, question number 14, as you can see that it is on standard form, and the question says that the part A says that in 2017 the population of Egypt was 975, and there are 5 zeros along with it. Write down this population in standard form. So standard form, as you all know, that there is a specific scientific notation which we use in order to write very high or very low values in a particular format. So here I'm going to show you what I have done. The standard form is a into 10 raised to the power n. This I have written over here. This is your standard form format, and the a, that value is between 1 to 9.99. This you have to remember. So the question was, this value was given to you 975, and there are 5 zeros. So what I've done, I've written 9.75 because I have to keep this number between 1 and 9.99 into 10 raised to the power 7. Why 7? Because I have moved the decimal on the left side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits, and then I've written 9.75. 7 digits moved, so it means that 10 raised to the power 7. That is your part A answer. Part B is saying that the population density of a country is the number of people per square kilometer, and in 2017 the population of Indonesia was 2.62 into 10 8. Correct to three significant figures, and the area of Indonesia is 2 into 10 6 kilometer square. Correct to one significant figure. We have to find out an estimate for the population density of Indonesia. So let's see the solution now. Population density is already given in the question, that it is population upon area, and population was 2.62 into 10 8, and the area was 2 into 10 raised to the power 6. So what I have done, 2.62, I have removed the decimal points, and there were two digits after the decimal, so I have added two zeros in the denominator, and the powers up till now is exactly the same, and then what I've done, 200 I can write in the denominator as 2 into 10 raised to the power 2, because 10 raised to the power 2 is 100. So 2 times 10 square is again 200. It will remain the same. What I have done this because you can now easily divide 262 by 2, and look at the powers. 10 to the power 8 in the numerator. When you shift the 10 to the power 2 and 10 to the power 6 from the denominator, they will change their signs and they will become minus. So 262 divided by 2 is 131 into 10 raised to the power 0. Why? Because 8 minus 8 will give you a 0. So 10 raised to the power 0 means 1. 131 people per kilometer square. This is the most simplified answer. Now question number 15, as you can see, and this question number 15 is basically is on the graphs of inequalities. There are three lines given over here, and within them there is the shaded region. The question is, the shaded region is defined by the three inequalities. Find these three inequalities. So it means that the shaded region over here is the satisfied region for the three lines which they have given, and we have to form the inequalities. So I'll show you the solution. First of all, let's see. There is one this vertical line which is crossing at x equals to 6. Then there is a vertical horizontal line at y equals to 3, you can see, and then there is a slanting sloped line which is intersecting the y-axis at 1, and remember students that if you see this, the points which are there on this slanted line is the coordinates. There are different coordinates, but if we take integers, we can say that x equals to 4 and y is equals to 5 is on the line, then x equals to 3 and y equals to 4 is on the line. So I can take any 2 points on this straight line and we can form an equation. So here is my solution, and on the solution I've shown that slanted line and I've taken 3 3 and 5 6 which were there on the graph, and the line was passing through those points. 3 3 you can take as x1 y1, 5 6 you can take as x2 y2. Use the gradient formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. You get the value of m, small m, that is the gradient or slope, that is 3 upon 2. Then use the formula for equation of the straight line y equals to mx plus c. M is 3 upon 2 and the y-intercept is 1. Why? Because I told you before that the line is crossing the y-axis at y equals to 1. So it is its y-intercept. Now in order to form the inequality, take any point in the satisfied region. And I took over here the point 4 comma 4, that was in the satisfied region. Here I want to show you that you can see that 4 4 x equals to 4 and y equals to 4 is right there in the middle of the shaded region over here. So I'm taking this point in order to make the inequality. I can show you over here this point 4 4. Now if I take x equals to 4 and y equals to 4, which was there in the satisfied shaded region, in the equation which we have formed for that slanted line, put the value of x and put the value of y. 4 and 4. When you solve, you get 4 equals to 7 on the right hand side. So 4 is obviously less than 7. So when we form the equation, we are going to write, form the inequality, we are going to write y is less than and equals to 3 upon 2x plus 1. Why less than? Because I have given you the reason over here that if we have taken any 2 points, any one coordinate that is satisfying on the less than sign. The other two inequalities are very simple. You can see that the vertical line x equals to 5, the left hand side is shaded, and for y equals to 3, the upper portion is shaded. What I have written in my notes that x is less than and equals to 5 because all the values on the left side where the shaded portion is there, satisfied region, all the values will be less than 5. So the left side is the satisfied region. So x is less than 5, second inequality. And the third one, the upper side is shaded, so it means that all the values which are greater than y equals to 3 will be part of your solution. So we say y is greater than and equals to 3. Region upper side is the satisfied region, which includes all the greater values of y which are greater than 3. Therefore, the three inequalities are y is less than 3 upon 2x plus 1, x is less than or equals to 5, and y is greater than and equals to 3. This is your complete solution. So in this way, today we have solved question number 14 and question number 15 of June 2020, paper 12. So our series of paper solving 2020 for different subjects, maths, economics, and business will continue, and for the AS level also it will continue. So keep watching the videos I'm going to upload on my YouTube channel. Thank you.